Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about a CNFT project called the Keyboards Warriors Internet Cafe. And this project is very special to me actually because I spoke with the founders. We had like a good hour chat and he was going over the project, all the information, all the details. And the reason why I'm excited for it is because they're bringing out so much utility as soon as they are minted and once everything's sold out. The things they're doing is like as soon as the project's like sold out, once it's minted out, all that type of stuff, you can instantly stake it on Cardano lands. And they are one of the first, if not the first project to be able to do that from the get-go. And they also have plans to stake with Mad Dog Car Club, which is another CNFT project as well. So they've got both these two different platforms where you will be able to stake your NFTs from the get-go, just like that, which is fabulous. So we're just going to check out the website, look at their Twitter, look at the engagement, just go over everything we do with all these CNFT projects and just check out everything we can about this project. So this project is, I would like to say, aimed towards like nerdy people, which I mean I am kind of nerdy I suppose, but you can see here the Keyboard Warriors welcome one and all into their internet cafe, a digital destination where nerds reign supreme. You've got, the saying that Yoda is our leader. If you don't know who Yoda is, he's a Star Wars character. I absolutely love Star Wars, and you can see they've got inspiration from Star Wars with like lightsabers. Obviously they're not going to be called lightsabers because of copyright issues, but the lightsabers. They've got a video here and you can see like a TIE fighter, an X-Wing. I love that. You've got Scooby-Doo, you've got Back to the Future. See, I'm a massive nerd, I know all this type of stuff. A Lego brick for their cafe, that's what it looks like right there. So this is a collection of 8,888, that is the supply, and within that supply you will be getting these characters right here. And they've got a bunch that they've shown off already, and they've shown off some incredible things over on their Discord, which all links will be down below, so make sure to check them out. And so you've got these here, these are the Keyboard Warriors, but they've also got things called the Internet Trolls. So essentially what the story is you've got these people that created the internet, which is the internet, the Keyboard Warriors. But before they were Keyboard Warriors, they were just normal, random people, right? And someone created the internet where he wanted all his friends to come and play games and do hangout, that type of stuff. But then what came of that is the internet trolls got jealous, essentially. You can read all this in their Discord as well if you guys aren't too sure what I'm talking about. But essentially, the internet trolls were jealous and they attacked the people at the time. They kept them captive for many years, like 222 years or something like that. And eventually, the people escaped and became the Keyboard Warriors in order to get back to the internet cafe to reclaim their nerdiness, I guess is the word I'm going to use. So you can read that in the Discord. It's a pretty cool story. So let's just check out their roadmap here, guys. And all the ones with ticks are things they've already done and dusted. So they've already got like street artists, they're painting their Keyboard Warriors onto walls, which is pretty awesome. Their pictures are going to be in the real world, so when people walk past they can check it out. Hopefully they maybe got like a QR code there so you can scan it, or they've got the name of the collection as well. That'd be cool. They've got a Quickie Mart, which is a Simpsons reference, but basically what this is a place where you can buy limited edition merch, which is over in their Discord. So if you are liking the art, liking the project, like the team, and you want to support them, the merch is in the Discord and you can purchase it with Cardano, with ADA. They've been to CNFT Con, which I would say is a pretty big deal because it means the team is doxed, which the team is doxed, by the way. They've got videos out there of doing interviews. I'm hopefully going to get an interview on this channel as well so you guys can see more about this project because I am very excited for it. But they've been to CNFT Con, which is a huge deal in my opinion. You're putting yourself out there, you're trying to get yourself involved with the community, and it means they're getting collaborations going. Like I said with the staking, maybe they went to CNFT Con and they spoke to the Cardano Lands team and maybe did something there. Things like that. That's how it goes in this type of place. As far as I know, whitelist is still obtainable, but what you need to do, it's very unique the way they've done it, and I very like it this way. So you don't really need to grind. However, so when you're in the Discord, you're just being active, you'll earn these tokens, and with these tokens, you'll be able to purchase a whitelist spot once you have earned enough tokens. There's different ways of earning these tokens, like you can gamble if you want, but obviously if you gamble, you might win a bunch of tokens, saving you a bunch of time, or you may lose your tokens, right? That's just how it works. You can go in there daily and activate your daily tokens. There's like a Discord channel where you can just like /daily, brings you tokens, and you can just keep doing that rather than grinding all day, which I think is a very cool way. It's rewarding people who are there daily, active, constantly trying to get these tokens. So it's a very unique way of doing it. As I mentioned at the start of this video, they have got staking and it will be non-custodial staking, which I know a lot of people love that, so that's very good. The mint date is on the 26th, which I believe is going to be lasting for 24 hours because it says here to the 27th. I could be wrong there, but I'm going to assume that just based on that. But this starts on the 26th. The price is going to be 55 ADA if you are a whitelister for the pre-sale, and for the public sale, it's going to be 65 ADA. All on Cardano, obviously, and the supply is 8,880, as I mentioned. After the mint, they're going to be opening up exclusive cafe channels within the Discord. Obviously, they want to be doing this in the metaverses once everything is set up and done, where you can go to these exclusive cafes if you're a holder. But in the meantime, they've got it in Discord where you can join, talk to the fellow keyboard warriors. Now, as you can see here, you might be able to win some free keyboard warrior NFTs, something like that, or a one-to-one hand-drawn NFT. And by the way, that artist is pretty brilliant, and we'll go over him in just a second. But guys, this project's looking pretty good because you'll be able to just, as soon as you mint, there's utility, you've got staking, there's going to be giveaway prizes, there's going to be exclusive channels for you guys. Another thing they're doing, guys, is they're donating to charity, and they're going to be doing that with a portion of the total funds raised within the mint. So, you know, it's always good, and they're doing it for a mental health charity, which I really, really do love to see. When I was speaking with one of the founders, they do actually have the beta version of the Internet Cafe coming out very soon, if not already out already, but it's very, like, basically nearly done. But keep in mind, this is a beta, and all you can do is you can only just like run, jump around, explore the little world they've got for their cafe. So keep that in mind. It is very, very early. That's why it's a beta, but the fact that it's already there and you can go on it is very good because it means the team's working hard, the team is delivering on the promises, the team is showing you all the work they are doing, which is everything you want to see in a project like this. It looks like all keyboard warriors will be able to attend a real life party in the first quarter of 2023. So you're going to have to obviously mint this. That gives you access to this exclusive party. The location has not yet been disclosed, so I guess this is still planning, still discussing where things are going to be. But there you are. If you like doing that, like going out to events, that's an option. So I've just come over to their artist website, and you can see all the people he's worked with. This is the clients he's worked with, by the way. You've got like Adobe, which is, you know, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, all them type of products. You've got Disney. Everyone should know what Disney is, and if you don't, it's just a massive one of the biggest brands. Look it up. I'm not going to explain it to you, but Disney's massive. PlayStation, I can see. You've got Vans, which is a shoe brand, Sony, Samsung, Converse, Dell. Some massive names in the space, and the fact that you've got this connection could open doors for the collection themselves as well. And you can just see it from the art, it's very detailed, there's a lot going on. And did I mention that they've got over 600 traits? 600 traits, right? That's a lot of traits. So every one of these is going to look pretty unique in their own way, and you can see how they do look all pretty unique. You've got some person here with a fishbowl, with an octopus, with lightsabers. You've got another lightsaber. I don't know, is that like laser guns in the background there? But the art looks incredible. There's something there for everyone. It's very nerdy, it's very unique. I like it, it's my type of thing, it's my vibe. I'm going to be minting some of these myself. If we go over to their Twitter, they've just hit 6,000 followers, and for a project on CNFT to be at this stage before mint is pretty massive. And you can just scroll down a little bit on their Twitter and you can see the engagement is absolutely massive. Here's a recent tweet 6 hours ago. It's already got 150 likes and over 70 retweets, and this is not even 24 hours. Massive, right? This one, again, 100 likes, over 40 retweets, and if we keep going down, they're just absolutely killing it on Twitter, and that's what you want with a project like this. Same over in their Discord. Their Discord is absolutely insane with the engagements, all the reactions down below. That's what you want to see. Activity. That's what you want to see within a community, and you can expect this project to likely fully mint out. Just based on seeing the numbers on Twitter and Discord. So keep that in mind when looking into projects, is the engagement, the activity. So yeah, guys, that is Keyboard Warriors Internet Cafe. I'm going to be minting this project based on just speaking with the founders. Like, not many founders want to speak to influencers sometimes, because whether they just don't want to be doxxed, maybe it's a scam, who knows. But this project have reached out, they have spoke to me in a call. I really like the team. I love the art. I love the artist because of their background, which means they can open doors to, you know, these different brands. Maybe the brands will come in and work alongside this project. I'm a nerd, so I love the art and the idea. I love the fact you can engage with the community and play some games. I love the concept of the internet cafe within all the metaverses, which I think they want to be building on Boss Planet and Pavia. I could be wrong there, but I believe they're like one of the biggest ones, so that's what you want to go for. Yeah, guys, if you do enjoy this project, all links down below, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a massive thumbs up, subscribe for more content, And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.